want Nasreen.
We want Nasreen. We want Nasreen. We want.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। मैं हूं राहिम परदेसी ते आज मैं फिर हाजिर हो गया ਤੁਹਾਡੇ सामने एक नवे व्लॉग ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ you must be wondering why I'm so dressed up today. Well, that's because it's my friend's mum's birthday and mashallah she has turned 75 years old and mashallah, so we're gonna have a huge celebration, lots of dancing, lots of partying, and the best thing is you guys are invited, so let's go.
नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे हाँ सेलिब्रेशन नाचो धनाधन म्यूजिक बजाओ कह दो ये सबसे आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो तेरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से चंद को बोलो तेरे पलक से आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से दिन फटाफट टिंगली पापा दम दम डुकुर डुकुर दम दम डुकुर डुकुर दम दम डुकुर डुकुर दिन फटाफट टिंगली पापा
हो गई 19 साल दी दाढ़ी वाली बहन आ जाए। So this is the complete family, everyone.
Mashallah.
Come and move that in my direction. So thankful for that, such a blessing, yeah. Turn every situation into heaven, yeah. Oh, you are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling some kind of way. Make me wanna savor every moment slowly, slowly. Oh, tenu suit suit karda. Oh, tenu suit suit karda. Suit karda. Tenu suit suit karda. Oh, ni tu lagdi punjaban, lagdi patola, lagdi tu saariyan to vakhri. Tenu suit suit karda. Oh, tenu suit suit karda.
DJ Frenzy.
पाइया पुछदे ने मुंडे दसो कुड़ी किथों आईया जाजरा दे शोर ने दबाई जेई पाइया पुछदे ने मुंडे दसो कुड़ी किथों आईया बच्चा बच्चा फिरे है बच्चा बच्चा फिरे फिरे बच्चा बच्चा तेरे उत्ते मरदा
Alright guys, that's the end of the night. We had such a great day. There was lots of fun, lots of dancing, lots of food. And before I go, I just want to quickly introduce you to these beautiful girls. They are indeed my baby sisters. I'll let them introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Hamna.
बस
और क्या कह रहा था
कोई स्कूल के बारे दस उम्र दस अपनी जात दस आप
And I'm Yumna and we're not twins.
Yeah, just in case you guys are confused, these two are not twins. They do look alike. They are over here visiting me, so I am kumaing them, praying them, and we are having lots of fun together, so you might see them more in the vlogs. So keep us in your du'as, and it's a good night from us. God bless. Saba Khair. Allah Hafiz.
Bye.
Know you better. Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know you better.
Baby, I know no better.